Ever pondered the mechanics behind monetizing a YouTube channel? Especially if you are a Christian YouTuber? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we'll delve into the step-by-step process of making your YouTube channel a source of income, all while spreading your faith and connecting with your audience on a deeper level. First things first, to monetize your YouTube channel, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. But hold on, there are a few prerequisites required to join this program. You need to live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. You need to have more than 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. You also need to have more than 1,000 subscribers. And of course, you must comply with all of YouTube's policies and guidelines. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program. After approval, you can start making money through ads, channel memberships, merchandise shelf, and YouTube's Super Chat feature. Let's talk about ads first. Ad revenue is the most common way YouTubers make money. Once you're part of the YouTube Partner Program, you can enable ads on your videos. When viewers click on these ads, you make money. Just remember, the content of your videos must be advertiser-friendly. This means avoiding controversial topics and focusing on uplifting faith-based content that aligns with your Christian values. Next up is channel memberships. Your fans can pay a monthly recurring fee to get unique badges, new emojis, members-only videos, and other perks. It's a fantastic way to create a community around your channel and earn a steady income. The merchandise shelf is another great tool for monetizing your channel. You can showcase your official branded merchandise right on your YouTube channel. This could include t-shirts, mugs, or any other merchandise with your logo or catchphrase. Last but not least, there's YouTube's Super Chat. This feature allows your viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted during your live chat streams. It's a fun, interactive way to engage with your audience and earn money at the same time. To wrap up, let's quickly recap the key points we discussed. To monetize a YouTube channel, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program, which requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. Once you join, you can make money through ads, channel memberships, merchandise shelf, and Super Chat. Always remember, as a Christian YouTuber, it's vital to maintain your faith-based content and uphold YouTube's policies and guidelines. So, there you have it. The road to monetizing a YouTube channel may seem challenging, but with dedication, creativity, and a little bit of faith, it can become a rewarding journey. Happy YouTubing!